Hello all you beautiful people out there, this is Shivangi and welcome back to the Daydream Project Beauty. If you've been following me for a while on this channel, you would know that I experiment a lot with my eye makeup. For me, the most fun part of applying makeup is creating an eyeshadow look because I love experimenting with colors and different combinations and doing some crazy things with my eyeshadow. I absolutely enjoy it. And since I enjoy applying eyeshadow so much, I have a natural obsession for eyeshadow palettes. I also love collecting eyeshadow palettes, so in this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite affordable eyeshadow palettes which are available in India. I will mention the price of each eyeshadow palette and will show you the swatches of all of them. So if you want to find out which ones are my favorite drugstore eyeshadow palettes, then please continue watching. The products which I'm talking about today, most of the links to those products are mentioned in the description box below, so if you want, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. So without much further ado, let's just start with the first eyeshadow palette. The first eyeshadow palette is from Wet n Wild and it's called Rosé in the Air. Rosé in the Air from Wet n Wild retails for 499 rupees and this eyeshadow palette is out of stock most of the times. I also had to struggle a bit to get my hands on it, so make sure that you switch your notification on and as soon as you see that this one is back in stock, just buy it. Don't even think twice because this is a beautiful palette. It has amazing pigmentation and you can create some really stunning looks with it. There are certain shades which have a bit of fallout, but it is manageable. Overall, this palette is a total value for money. Now let me show you the swatches of this palette. And these are all the swatches of Rosé in the Air. The second eyeshadow palette is from Maybelline from their City Mini palette collection in the shade Urban Jungle. This palette retails for 750 rupees and I actually bought it on discount on Nykaa and this costed me around 560 bucks. So always look out for discount, guys. Whenever you're shopping for makeup, eyeshadow, anything, just keep looking for discounts and always make sure that you're checking all websites to compare the prices. Anyway, coming back to the palette, these palettes are really nice as well. The pigmentation is amazing. The metallics are to die for and these are pretty travel friendly. The only thing missing in these eyeshadow palettes are good transition shades, but if you're going for single metallic eyeshadow looks, these are the palettes which you should look out for because overall the formula, the pigmentation, everything is really nice. It's time for me to show you the swatches of this palette. These are the swatches for City Mini palette in Urban Jungle. My third eyeshadow palette is another eyeshadow palette from the City Mini palette collection from Maybelline in Graffiti Pop. All the palettes from this collection retail for 750 rupees and guys, after seeing the quality of the first one, I just could not resist buying another one. And I also love to play with colors, so this palette is one of my absolute favorites. Let me show you the swatches of Graffiti Pop. Guys, these are the swatches of Graffiti Pop. All the metallic shades in this palette are iridescent or duochrome. So it's a beautiful palette. I'm totally living for all the metallic duochrome shades in it. The fourth eyeshadow palette is also from Maybelline. I swear it's the last one. It's their Rock Nudes eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette retails for 925 rupees. Now I really have to tell you certain things about this eyeshadow palette. If you read the reviews of this eyeshadow palette online, there are a lot of people who have complained about the pigmentation not being good and them being chalky and the glitter falling everywhere and not sticking to the eyes. Basically, you have to follow certain rules while using a glittery eyeshadow palette. The first thing is to apply a good primer. Prime your eyes really well before you're using any glittery eyeshadow palette. Second thing is to wet your brush or to use your fingers to apply it. Then and only then you'll get the pigmentation on your eyes. If you're going to use a dry brush or dry applicator, it is not going to show up on your eyelids. And the third rule is that you either finish your eye makeup first and then apply the foundation, or you bake your under eyes. Basically, you put a lot of powder under your eyes so that even if there is a fallout, you can dust it off later. If you follow all these rules, the results with this eyeshadow palette are going to be amazing and pretty. One thing is that you definitely have to build certain shades, but it is easy to work with. It is not that difficult at all. I actually really love the color selection of this palette. I think all these shades are beautiful. You can create some stunning smoky eyes or looks for parties and stuff with this one. Just make sure you follow all those rules and this palette will do you good, I promise. Before I show you the swatches of this palette, let me show you the difference between using a dry brush or an applicator and using a wet brush to apply these eyeshadows. This is the applicator it comes with. First, I'm going to show you with a dry applicator. I think I'm going to use this blue color right here. I've taken some on the applicator and I am going to apply it on my hand. Can you see this? There's barely any pigmentation. Let's apply a second coat. So this is how it is after a second coat. Again, barely any pigmentation. Alright, now I'm going to use my wet brush. This is my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to wet it a little bit. Taking the same shade with a brush and I'm going to apply it. Okay. This is with a wet brush. You can see the difference, right? This is just one coat. Now let me build this color up. Alright, I'll give you guys a closer look, wait. So this is the difference that a wet brush can make. I'm not really saying that these shades have one swipe pigmentation. You definitely have to build them, but use a wet brush and they have the potential to look really pretty. Now it's time to show you guys the swatches of this palette, and since this is a big palette, I'm going to go row wise, so I'm going to start with first row. These are the swatches for the first row of this palette. And these are the swatches for the second row of this palette. The fifth eyeshadow palette is Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in the shade French Rose. This eyeshadow palette retails for 995 rupees, but again, I bought it on discount and it costed me around 885 rupees or something. I actually love the eyeshadow palettes from this range because I think the pigmentation is really nice and the shades are easily blendable. The French Rose palette has beautiful warm toned shades. You can see there is a pink, there's a peach, there are shades of brown. These browns you can actually use as a transition shade for just about any eyeshadow. So overall, this is a beautiful palette. So without much further ado, let me just show you the swatches of this palette. These are the swatches for Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in French Rose. The sixth eyeshadow palette is from the same Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette range and it's in the shade Nude Beach. This one retails for 995 rupees as well, and you can find discounts online. And you guys must be wondering, why did I buy another palette from the same range? This palette has a beautiful color range, but I have to mention the gold in this palette. It is unreal. The pigmentation is on another level. I can actually compare this gold to the gold shade in my Huda Beauty palette. It is that good. I use this palette to create today's eyeshadow look. I absolutely love it. These shades are very easy to work with and they're just stunning and beautiful. So without wasting more time, let me just show you the swatches of it. These are the swatches for Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in Nude Beach. Please take note that since all of these shades are shimmery shades, I have used a little bit of water to develop them, except the gold because that just doesn't need anything. I did that so that you guys know that just a little bit of water or Fix Plus can make a huge difference in the color payoff. The 7th eyeshadow palette is from NYX Professional Makeup and it's called Lid Lingerie. This eyeshadow palette retails for 1050 rupees, but I bought it from Nykaa on discount. I think it's still on discount and it costed me 840 rupees. Now this is a beautiful everyday matte eyeshadow palette. I actually use this palette a lot on a regular basis. The pigmentation is really nice and this palette is easy to work with. Now let me show you the swatches of it. These are the swatches for NYX Lid Lingerie. The 8th eyeshadow palette is again from NYX. It's their Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette in Electric. This eyeshadow palette retails for 1725 rupees, but there was a 20% off on Nykaa and I got it for 1380 rupees. The discount is still on just in case you want to buy it. I personally love colorful eyeshadows and that's why this one caught my eye. And the amazing thing about this eyeshadow palette is that it's got these 4 shades in 3 different textures. The first row has matte finish, the second row has a satin finish, and the third row has a shimmery metallic finish. If you're thinking, how does it really make a difference? Wait till you see the swatches. Alright, so these are the swatches of NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Electric. I don't know how much of a difference you can make out in these 3 finishes, but they are different, guys. The pigmentation of this eyeshadow palette is pretty good and these are fun colors. I definitely recommend it to all of you. The 9th eyeshadow palette is from Makeup Revolution London and it's called Fortune Favours the Brave. This eyeshadow palette retails for 1950 rupees, but you can definitely find discounts online. I genuinely feel that Makeup Revolution palettes are a total value for money because the quality is amazing. You get a lot of shades in just one palette. It is a great investment, especially for beginners, because you just get one eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution and you're sorted. Now let me show you the swatches of this palette. Since this is a big palette, I am going to go row wise, first, second, third and fourth. This is the first row. Now this is another palette where you definitely need to use a wet brush or your fingers, guys, because it has mostly shimmery shades. This is the second row. This is the third row. And this is the fourth and the final row. The 10th and the final eyeshadow palette is also from Makeup Revolution London and it's called Flawless 4. This eyeshadow palette currently retails for 1750 rupees. I actually bought this one and Fortune Favours the Brave together, so I do remember I did get a certain discount on it. And just like Fortune Favours the Brave, this palette is beautiful as well. So these are all the shades that you get in this palette, and this palette again is a total value for money. The quality is extremely good, the pigmentation is really nice, all the shades are buildable and very easy to work with. Let me show you the swatches of it. This is a big palette again, so I'm going to go row wise, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the first row of this palette. Again, guys, please use a wet brush or your fingers to apply shimmery shades. This is the second row of the palette and there are all matte shades in this row. This is the third row of the palette, all matte shades again. And this is the fourth and the final row. We've finally come to an end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite eyeshadow palette, and if I have not tried it, I would love to give it a go. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my ID is mentioned here and at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. I post updates about upcoming videos and certain makeup looks that I do, and I'm also working on something really exciting. I know that I've been talking about it for a while now, but trust me, it's going to drop soon. So make sure that you go ahead and follow me there. I swatched 10 eyeshadow palette, guys. Look at my fingers now. My nail paint is chipped and my fingers are red. Anyway, on that note, I'm signing off for now. I shall see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Mwah. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to come up with a lot more fun beauty stuff, and we are going to come up with a lot more fun crazy stuff, because there's something for everyone on this channel. So until next time, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep daydreaming. Bye.